Let's go now. Oh, yo, 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 yo. I'm done now.
After one forkful? I don't think so. You've got a long way to go before dessert even enters into your vocabulary. What do you think of that?
Go on.
Do you want dessert?
Uh-huh.
Well, then you have to eat more of your lunch.
What did you say?
I think you heard me. Do you want to talk to anybody?
Sophia.
What do you want to say to her?
I love you, Sophia.
Aw, anything else?
I hope you get better. I'm gonna make a picture of you.
Aw, that's very sweet of you.
I'm gonna do that after lunch.
After lunch?
Sometimes it's work.
Okay.
Dang! Melted cheese.
Melted cheese?
Melted. So melt. Hey, touch. Melt.
Bah!
The way you melt.
Okay, are you ready to say bye?
Bye. I'm shit.
What?
I'm shit.
Say bye one more time.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye everyone.
Good night, everyone.